today, a new student will study with you in this class.
My name is Kaju. I am from Chennai. My appa sells masalas in Dholakpur.
There's a seat empty next to Raju and Jaggu. I want everyone's attention.
Ayyo, I'm feeling very hungry. Will you two like to have some food with me?
Don't eat right now. The bell is going to ring any moment,
This
Kaju.
line which I... Kaju? Where is your attention?
It is right here in studies.
Then what were you trying to hide?
Ayyo, I don't hide anything.
Kaju, hand over your lunch to me and pay attention in class.
Exactly.
Come on, throw the ball as hard as you can.
I also want to play cricket with you.
But we don't want to.
I wanted to hit a sixer with your bat.
I told you once that we don't want to play.
Kichak, we should take advantage of him.
And how?
We will make this fool a false promise of playing with him and make him steal mangoes for us.
Very good idea, Mannu. Come on. Hey, listen. What did you say your name was?
Kaju.
Listen, Kaju. If you want to play with us, then first you will have to prove that you are worthy of playing with us.
What do I have to do for that?
Listen, you have to steal mangoes from that grumpy Maliram's orchard. Will you do that?
I will do whatever you say. But after that, I will play cricket with you. Okay?
Yes, okay, fine.
Very good, Kaju.
So you've come to steal my mangoes again?
Run, Mannu, run. He's charging towards us like a crazy bull. Run.
If not the real culprit, then the assistant is good enough.
We are enjoying the mangoes and Kaju's enjoying a beating.
Enjoying the mangoes. Kichak,
Why do you care, huh?
give them back to me. Each one of them.
Idea. Let's have a competition. The one who wins gets all the mangoes. You'll get a chance to bowl 3 balls to me. If you take my wicket, then you get all the mangoes.
Chutke, Kichak is going to lose.
We have won! Your mangoes. Now let Kaju go.
I am not going to give you a second chance. Now get going from here.
Okay. Thank you, Beam. I mistook you to be my enemy, and my enemy my friend.
You realize this? And it's more than enough for us, my friend. One more challenge.
Sure. Look carefully, everyone.
What is up there?
A very beautiful bird. Whoever gets it down first wins the game and gets to take the bird home.
No.
Where is Kalia?
I'm up here. No, Kalia. Why? I am about to win.
I am a fairy. I have a lot of unique powers. And the sorceress of the forest wants them for herself. She has used a magical key to put a lock on my hands. That's why I can't fly. I must find that key soon. Otherwise...
Hiding here. Nothing will happen to you here. Eat up.
Looking for something?
What was that?
We must do something about it.
We can't do anything. That bird is the princess of us fairies. If that sorceress manages to take away the powers of the princess, then we won't be able to do anything.
Nothing of that sort will happen. First of all, we must stop that sorceress from stealing the powers of the princess.
Hey, what are you doing here?
I have come to take the bird away.
Let's see if you can. Try.
If I can't take the bird away, I will take whatever I can.
Hey, wait! Hey, boy! Attack! Hey, stop! Where do you think you are going?
Beam! No!
I just have to switch on the miracle ball and I will have the fairies' powers. Then.
One, two, three.
I knew you'd win the relay race, Beam.
Team, you brought victory for our team.
Beam is the fastest.
Earlier we came third in the cycle race and now we came last. You two are so slow.
Slow? If we had not given you a push, then forget about coming last. You wouldn't have even completed the race.
How dare you talk to me like that?
Run
Wait! Forget it. It is very hot. I can't run anymore.
Oh, good. I'm sweating so much right now.
Me too. I don't feel like playing anymore in this heat.
Come to my house, all of you. Mom was going to make lemonade for everyone. You can have laddus with it if you like.
If we like.
They mean to say, of course they'd like to.
98, 99, 100. Are you ready now?
Not as yet.
Ready, guys?
Not so fast.
I'm coming now. Uh-huh. Aha. Where is everyone hiding? I could always catch them so easily. This technique is not going to work. I have got to use my brain a bit. And use this yummy laddu. Oh! I found one last laddu was left in my bag, friends. Well, this is the only one I have. Aha! Hey Bheem, you're out!
Anyone would do this for such a nice laddu.